Okay, this is like a pretty bad angle. If we're being honest, this is a pretty bad start to a vlog. But welcome to the vlog nonetheless. I know this is going up tomorrow. It's not Sunday. It's Monday if you're watching it the day it was posted. And it's probably really late at night if you're watching it the day that it was posted. So do apologize. I really didn't want to just quickly put together a video just for the sake of posting on a Sunday, because that's just a waste of time, and I know it's not going to be as good if I just like rush it to put together. So yeah, today's video is going to be a vlog. It's going to be a vlog of me like getting ready for New Hampshire and just like summer day in my life. I'm really procrastinating all of the crap I have to do, trying to figure out a way to get all of the stuff I have to do done, which I feel like in the listen my head sounds like it's a lot, but once I write it out I feel like it won't be as much. I hope it's not going to be as much because I'm a bit overwhelmed. Anyways, let's get to the point of this vlog. Let me just pick you up. So as I was saying, I'm sitting here drinking coffee, procrastinating. I'm going to New Hampshire this Friday. I leave. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay, ignore the mess in the background. Wow, I didn't even notice that. But I leave for New Hampshire this weekend. There's gonna be a weekly vlog from that. I also just really wanted to vlog today because I am getting ready for New Hampshire, so like I feel like that's like a fun vlog, packing for New Hampshire and stuff. And then I just haven't vlogged in a bit, and I like vlogging a lot, and I feel like I haven't vlogged in forever because I feel like my life was not that interesting. But even though this may not be the most interesting vlog, I'm still gonna vlog it because I love watching vlogs. Anyways, this is a really rambly intro, so let me just get going on with what we're doing. Okay, so I've made a list of what I need to get done because I was getting so overwhelmed with everything that I just had to write it down. And this isn't even that much, but I'm still just like, I don't know, I think I need money, so I'm stressed. First things first, we're definitely going to use some of the stress relief lotion because your girl is stressed. So I just started kind of looking at my outfits for what I'm going to be bringing to New Hampshire, and I kind of figured out most of the clothing, but that will be a separate video. That will be a pack with me. I think it's actually going to go up after this one, so stay tuned for that. But I now have to go to Target and then I think to Victoria's Secret to return some bathing suit tops and some bras because I bought them in the wrong sizes and I'm not very smart for that. But I'll take you guys along with me. I'm just gonna run those errands, and then I don't know why I enjoy filming in this mirror so freaking much, but I got the stuff I'm returning in this random files bag, and I'm going to go to Target now. Oh, it did not unlock my car. Awkward. Okay, so I was in the Burger King drive-thru and I was getting an ice cream cone because it was really hot outside, and so I wanted an ice cream cone, and literally I licked the ice cream cone and it freaking fell in my lap. Like into my lap. Got all over my legs, all over my shorts, all over my pocketbook because I have the crossbody on, and it just like literally fell on me. And the girl at the window, like I look over at her and her mouth is just like open, like jaw dropped. She was like, oh my god. And she was like, do you want a new one? And I was like, yeah, can I have some napkins please? And it's all good, guys. I got another one. It's in a cup now. Yeah, that was really funny and really awkward because I was just sitting there with ice cream just in my lap for a full like 30 seconds while she got some napkins too. It was funny, it was awkward. Oh my god, I just can't believe it fell into my freaking lap. God was telling me that I should eat healthy. That's really what that was. Hello, it has been a hot minute since I've talked to you last, since I dropped the ice cream cone in my lap. But it's basically like 10 o'clock at night now. I didn't really vlog because after I dropped the ice cream in my lap, I went home, changed my pants, and then did Uber Eats for the rest of the night, so nothing exciting happened. I just got home from that. I washed my face, put a little face mask on because my pores were huge and it just looked like they had, like, especially on my nose, I just want to get all the gunk out of it. Like, it was just so gross from me sweating today because it's so hot. Long story short, I'm about to go to bed, relax, nothing exciting. So I will see you guys in tomorrow's portion of the vlog. Good morning, guys. I think I'm literally sitting in the exact same spot that I started the vlog to begin with, but it is now the next morning. As you saw, I just finished eating breakfast. I'm still finishing up my cup of coffee, and then I'm going to get my day started. Okay, so I finished drinking my coffee, and now I'm going to clean the kitchen because I cooked eggs and stuff for breakfast. And I just honestly want to clean the entire house and get it done this weekend and get packing done this weekend, so that when I come home from New Hampshire, it'll all be clean and it'll all be good. I don't gotta worry about that. Alrighty, so I just threw a little laundry in and cleaned the kitchen. Now I'm going to very quickly just pick up my room because it's very messy and it's honestly kind of stressing me out. Okay, alright, hello. It's been a minute. I kind of cleaned my room. Just need to get rid of the box on the bed, so that's about the stuff back there. But I am sitting at my vanity now. I'm about to get started on my makeup. I got dressed for the interview, put my hair in like a big bun. I literally hate this shirt so much. In my opinion, this is such an ugly shirt. I hate it. I'll show you my outfit after I finish my makeup, but I'm just gonna quickly like speed through my makeup. Okay, so this is the final look. This is what I'm wearing. Like I said, I hate this top and this just black like knee length skirt and these ballet flats. I'm going to the interview now, just printing up my resume. Okay, I just got back from the interview. I'm going to go change. I don't know why I walked out of my bedroom. I'm going to go quickly change back into the outfit that I'm going to wear to PT tonight, and then I'm going to do some homework and get some of that stuff done so I don't have to worry about that over the week ahead. Oh my god, I'm back in comfy clothes. I literally, that feels so good to finally get out of those clothes. But even though I was literally only in them for like an hour, not even though, that was just so uncomfortable. The interview went well. I stopped by Starbucks to reward myself because honestly, like, I know I'm a little bit biased, but I think I got the job. And so yeah, I was also needing a thing of coffee, but now that I think about it, I should have saved my $5 and just made it at home. Hi you guys, it's been an hour later and I only got 2 learning objectives. Like, I read only 2 sections and then took notes on only 2 sections. Like, this section had so much vocab and it was just like, oh my god, there was so much vocab in this section. So this is only 2 sections worth of notes. I still have 4 more to go. I was kind of upset. I thought I was getting more done than that. Yeah, that's that on that. I just wanted to update you guys because I've been sitting here doing schoolwork for an hour and my brain is literally fried. I need a break anyways. Just been taking in way too much information. So PT make a little workout slash break, and I will update you guys after with how it went, because this is my second one. I don't even know if I told you guys that I hurt my knees training for a 5K that I didn't end up running. I had to go to PT for my knees. They originally thought I tore my meniscus. Turns out I didn't tear my meniscus. My bones are actually not aligned properly, so none of my like kneecap, well, none, as if I have more than two. Both of my kneecaps are not tracking correctly, so it's just like from exercising them and like probably doing the exercises wrong. They just hurt them and I irritated them, so I'm in PT for that, hoping that I can like fix the alignment in my bones with PT, and then if that doesn't work, then I have to have surgery. So hoping, crossing my fingers, that PT works and I don't have to have surgery, because I don't want to have surgery, obviously. So yeah, that's what PT is about. I don't think I explained that to you guys. I don't even think I explained to you that I wasn't PT, so just to clarify that. I will catch up with you guys after, because I'm definitely not going to vlog in there. It's only my second session, and it's honestly just going to distract me from doing the exercises. So I will let you guys know how that went. I will talk to you after. Okay guys, I forgot my camera at the house, but it was a hard one. It was very, very hard. Not as hard as the first one though. I will admit that I'm happy to say that I'm getting better slowly. She taped my legs too though, so that definitely helped. Like, it doesn't hurt as much. I think it just helped to support them a little bit better. So that definitely helped. But I'm out. I think I'm gonna go home and eat some leftover Chinese food. I think sounds like a plan. Reward myself after this hard PT session. Hi guys, I'm back home. I'm literally editing this video right now. It's 9:55 at night, and I need to end. When did I open my closet back up? I don't know. I get distracted way too easy. Oh my god. Basically, I just want to come on here and say good night and goodbye, and thank you so much for watching. I did not end the vlog. I think the last clip you guys saw was me like saying, actually, I don't know why I said I think. I know the last clip I saw was my reaction to the PT session. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video, and the next one will be way more entertaining. It's going to be a pack with me. It's going to be better than this. This was kind of like me cleaning and me just like getting a little bit of things done before I went away. So I know it wasn't too interesting, but I appreciate you guys so much for watching. So yeah, stay tuned for my next video. Bye guys.